are selecting the plant species. The various forms of the literature incorporated description or illustration and identification keys are useful proper identification unknown plants. The known plants are which are easily available are named the type of the description which are available in the manuals, also called a flora. But unknown plants are not available. That pay for the unknown plants we can use to the flora or Smith and Gambler flora. The literature of taxonomy is one of the oldest and most complicated literature of science. That is some important taxonomy literature are floras and electronic floras, e-flora. E-floras are available in the websites, manuals, monographs, journals, which are four. The four is also taxonomic literature available parts, which can use to give the correct name of the plants, which can then collect the herbarium specimen. So then floras. A flora is an inventory of the plants of a definite geographical regions, depending on the scope and also area covered on the floras are categories as local flora, regional flora, also national flora, also continental flora, and also called international flora. So this flora, the local flora covers limited geographical area, usually state, country, city, and valley, or a small mountain ranges. Example, Flora of Delhi by J.K. Maheshwari, 1963, that prepared flora of Maheshwari or flora of Delhi. Then regional flora means it includes the large geographical area, usually large countries, botanical regions. Example, flora of British India by Sir J.D. Hooker, 1872-1897. A flora of a covering country is more appropriately known as national flora. National flora, local flora, regional flora, then continental flora. It covers the entire continent. Example, Flora Europea by T.G. Tunitin et al., 1964-80. Flora of Australian East by G. Bentham, 1863-1878. The total floras, which made to available the information of the specimens or herbarium specimens informations. So this is also electronical floras. That is also which are non-electronic floras, but electronic floras are last few years I've seen the online available flora, also digitized flora of many popular floras. Those are online floras, which known as electronic floras, e-floras, which are one part or one role, one event for the preparation of the specimens of a herbarium. So one touch effect or effort of the Missourian Botanical Gardens are resulted in the publications of Dash and combining together to the information from the several floras which are available in that website. That is called electronic floras. Royal Botanical Garden Kiwi has hosted the flora that is also called Jambesiska. The e-flora now you are search for a plant name or across the whole flora in the throughout world. That is also manuals. So these manuals are the manuals is a more also called extensive treatment than the flora. So these manuals are always having a keys for identification, so then description and glossary, but generally covering the specialized groups of plants. Specialized groups plants which are always available the information, flora information. The example manual of cultivated plants by L.H. Bailey, 1949. Manual of cultivated trees and shrubs, Hardy in North America by E. Rader, 1940. of a aquatic plants by NC resistant. Also got 1957. These are different countries, different areas of the plants, which can use to the identification of the plants of the herbarium. So these are, that is also got a monograph. The A monograph is comprehensive taxonomic treatment of a taxonomic groups, generally genus or a family, provided the, so these are manuals. So these monographs, this monograph is the genus Datura by A.F. Blacksley et al. 1959. This monographs having. Then also different are various types of the genders which are available in the websites that base to identification of the plant names in the herbarium floras. So these are some important genders are devoted large, also got largely to taxonomic research, include Botanical Journal of Linear Society. Linear Society published on a behalf of Linear Society by Blackwell, Synergy, London. Kiwi, also Cube Bulletin, Plant Systematics and Evolution, published by Springer Journal. Springer Journal. Taxon, published by the International Bureau for Plant Taxonomy and Nomenclature of Australia. The Botanical Magazine, Tokyo, and Systematic Botany, New York, which are all important journal which may be available to the website, which can base to preparation of the name or identification of the name of the plant, which can give the specimens. So these are the Botanical Survey of India. Our India is the apex or research organization under the Ministry of Environment and Forestry, Government of India, for carrying the taxonomic and floristic studies on the wild plants resources of the country. It was established in 13th February 1890 with the basis of objective to the explore the plant resources in the country and identify the plant species with economic virtues. That's also important. Next organization, then also BSI as the main several regions which are centers spread across India, located in the Dehradun, Jodhpur, Pune, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Port Blair, Shillong, Itanagar, so Gangtok, Allahabad. There are 5 organizations are unite located in the Kolkata. The Royal Botanic Garden in India, Botanical Garden Kolkata, is headquarters of Botanical Survey of India, which are all of the information may be releases based on the identification of the plants. So then objective of BSI, major objective means the Botanical Survey of India, exploration, then inventory or documentation, also got a phytodiversity in general and protected areas, hotspots, and also fragile ecosystem, then also identification threatened species, then conservation plans of area, then survey of documentation of traditional knowledge. This is also ethnobotanical plant. Then develop a national database of India plants, include the herbarium and the specimens, which are a major objectives of the BSI for herbarium preparation process. Then minor objections. So these minor objectives is revision, then also got a quantitative and also overlapping the maintenance and the preparation of the seed pollen and spore, at least of the Indian plants. That is also then Geological Survey of India. This is also important. Then also several botanical gardens. We are available important botanical gardens are